Oh. Oh, these bees are not cooperating. There's more way up there, right up on that branch, but we've got a big cluster going on over here.
Oh, shit. Where'd you find your mother?
Okay, so they had like their main entrance there. They also had another entrance here, which we opened up a little bit more, and we're able to drill a little bit below, but couldn't get in any further down. We can hear the bees down in the bottom, in the middle part here. We can hear a bunch of them. We can see comb from here, we can see comb from here. And then the bees started coming out of up there. And this hole here, and then this crack here has another hole, and over here is another hole right there where my light is shining right now. So I highly recommend this tree gets removed, because it is just going to be, this is I think the third time I've come for it. It's just a constant bee tree problem, and with this one being more defensive and actually stinging people just out of the blue, this is something that is just too close to the house for safety purposes.